Hey folks, Dumpster Intervention Patrol, Tommy D, Dumpster IP. We don't just clean dumpsters, folks. Big Blue is now just laying the biofill. We just got done cleaning this thing. This looks amazing, huh, Nathan?
It's crazy, yeah.
It's awesome. We got the Masked Bandit here. He's got his face covered for sensory issues. No, just kidding. Having fun working, man. Looking good. Copyright infringements. Check it out. We brushed in blue. Laid down solution. It smells very, very nice. Rolling. Looking good, baby. Super beautiful. There's our flag, Dumpster IP. Check us out. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, they are.
Nice job, buddy. You got it? Little sneaky peek. Hello. We're out. Give us a call, folks. 602-737-3942. Bam, bam, bam.